And here we go. We're just going to go ahead and pull the yarn tight, and it's going to close it up. This is my favorite part, but I'm not going to lie. I didn't stuff it enough, and I don't realize it until I close it. At first, I was going to refilm it and just take that part out, but then I figured I'm probably not going to be the only person that understuffs their pumpkin, and I wanted you to see what it looks like when you understuff and then show you how to fix that. But do you see how big those grooves are right there and how squishy it is? That's not good. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my finger in, or two, and I'm just going to open that hole back up. I wouldn't recommend doing this more than once, simply because it does weaken the yarn when you pull it tight. So over time, it might get a little fragile. But all I'm doing is I'm opening up just a little bit, and now I'm just stuffing in the inside first and then along the sides, so that when I pull it tight again, this time it'll be a little bit more plump and less squishy. But it's a super easy fix, and it makes a difference. But that's it for this part, and I'll see you in the next one.